Artur Mas, welcome to the program and thank you for joining me.
But I hope that after full and frank and fruitful conversations,
I read that not even half actually want to break away from Spain.
well, this is true, but
Why does Catalonia want to be independent? Why would it be more beneficial to you to be broken away from Spain?
what we know for certain is that there is a huge majority for the referendum. This is to say, for deciding our political future by ourselves.
Okay, well, what is your goal then? What is it that you want out of this referendum?
Well, in my personal case, I'm going to vote yes as a citizen, but as a president of Catalonia, my commitment is to hold a referendum.
Artur Mas, thank you very much indeed for joining me today.